In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Card.so website. First, head to Card.so and log into your account so you're on the dashboard. This is your starting point for building or editing a site. Once you're in, click New Site. Card will show you a range of templates, but to keep things simple and fully in your control, choose the option to start from a blank page. That gives us a clean canvas and makes the steps straightforward. You'll now be inside the card builder. To add content, look for the plus icon on the interface. This opens the element picker, which is where you choose what you want to add to the page. Click the plus icon and then select video. This creates a video element on your canvas and opens its settings panel so you can configure it. In the video settings, make sure the type is set to embed. Card lets you add videos in different ways, but for YouTube specifically, embed is the right choice. This tells Card to pull the video directly from YouTube and handle the player for you, which keeps file sizes small and playback smooth across devices. Next, copy your YouTube link and paste it into the video URL field. You can use the standard YouTube URL from your browser's address bar or the share link. If you want to avoid distractions, use a direct video link rather than a playlist link. Card will recognize the URL and display a preview so you know it's connected. Before we finish, take a moment to adjust optional features to match your needs. Depending on your layout and audience, you might toggle autoplay and mute so the video starts silently, which many browsers require for autoplaying content. Consider whether you want visible playback controls and whether looping makes sense for short clips. You can also adjust sizing and alignment so the video sits nicely on the page and pick an aspect ratio that fits your design. For most YouTube videos, the default 16:9 ratio is ideal. Keep responsiveness in mind so the video looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the settings, click Done. That saves your changes to the video element and returns you to the main canvas with the video in place. At this point, your YouTube video is embedded on your card site exactly where you want it, with the behavior you've chosen. And that's the entire process. From logging in, creating a blank site, adding the video element, setting it to embed, pasting your YouTube link, fine-tuning options, and confirming with Done.